Are you a live streamer looking to monetize your content and earn big profits? In this video, we'll share with you the 7 best ways to make money from your live streams. First, the pay-per-view model allows you to create exclusive events and charge viewers for access. Second, by engaging with your audience, you can ask for donations or tips. Third, provide valuable and interactive content to attract paying subscribers who are willing to pay monthly, quarterly, or annually. Fourth, insert ads into your live streams and generate revenue. Viewers can choose to watch ads instead of paying to access the content. Fifth, collaborate with businesses for sponsorship opportunities. Negotiate deals for sponsored streams, ads, banners, or even demonstrating products. Sixth, join affiliate programs and earn commissions when viewers make purchases through your links or promo codes. Seventh, create and sell your own merchandise or products related to your live streams. Live streaming offers vast opportunities to earn huge profits. Choose one or more of these methods and start monetizing your content today. Try Muvi live for free and experience the difference in streaming quality and revenue potential.